Right guys, it's time to get cracking on with our first job in the new unit, and of course it has to be on the Chops Garage k11 MIcra. So let's get the coffee on and get stuck in. We did see a couple of comments in the last video about the unit maybe being a bit small, but we've got a car in, we've got room all the way around it to walk around, jack it up. I can even do a full respray in here, there's space at the back. And you have to remember what we came for, eh Charlie?
Yeah.
Like a single garage at the side of a house, working on a driveway.
I don't think you're meant to build cars on that one. I think
No.
that's just for keeping your lawnmowers and stuff. But
Yeah, this is a massive step up for us. So we've actually got a dedicated workspace, we've got a workbench, which we never had.
no,
We can walk
always
through.
needed a workbench. We use that tiny toolbox for everything.
We can get a vice now.
We can.
We've got good lighting. We've got somewhere to keep our cleaning stuff. We've got storage upstairs.
This looks a lot neater than what we had.
And you know what? Aye, it's not a massive space, but it's perfect for us. We're away from the house. It stops Charlie going in the house every 5 minutes for a heat. He's got the option here but to just crack on and get some work done.
Don't leave fingerprints everywhere.
Yeah, we need to keep this place super clean because the fact that it's white with the new lights, it makes it really nice and bright for filming in here. So yeah, we've got a wee kitchenette, we can get the coffee on whenever we want.
You need to take over a film.
Oh yeah,
Really?
I've just brought a car in.
Yeah, you walked down. Shop's 2 minutes away.
Well, maybe we're having black coffee because I want to get stuck into this car. I want to get stuck into this because we're going to lower it today. So a lot of the guys that are on the Patreon and the guys that follow the HBG VIP channel and get all the behind the scenes stuff know that I've done a round trip to Stoke-on-Trent to pick up some wheels for this car, which I will show you in this episode. But while I was there, I also picked up a set of front lowering springs and shocks, and then we ordered in a set of 35mm rear lowering springs. So we've got everything here now. It's time to get cracking on and get this MIcra sitting a bit better.
Because right now it sits terrible. Look at it.
It looks like a little race car, but
Wobbles a bit.
it's a bit high for a little race car, so yeah.
It looks like a little rally car.
Yeah. We'll start on the front, or do you want to start in the rear? Where do you want to start?
Start on the rear.
Right,
Because the front's probably going to be the biggest difference, so we'll save that for last.
right. Let's whack your rears on then. First things first, I'm going to take a wee measurement just to see what the right height's like just now. So we've got my tape measure, we'll go for the centre of the hub, up to the wheel arch. It's about 35.5 at the moment. I'm not going to measure that front one because you'll see the alloy wheels if I go there just now. So we'll measure for the front. 36.5 at the front.
So it's pretty even, right?
Yeah, 35.5, 36.5. Let's swap out the springs and see how much it comes down. Hopefully 35 will. But it might settle a wee bit more, give or take. So yeah. I'll whack the wheels off and get back.
Child, listen, I done had enough. Just keep getting these lemons sour all the time. I pucker my lips, yeah, I might get stepping on pills now. I don't slip, just keep getting these lemons. It should be a crime. What you gonna find is I don't quit. I'ma show out now. I'm the life is giving lemons every second and hour. I think I used to be sweeter, but now I'm feeling too sour. I used to feel on top and now I'm losing my power. Now I just do it, get a check and get a meal and devour. I ran out of juice to make the lemonade. Lawyers like a bears, maybe I'm afraid. But only
Right, that's one side of the rear's done. It's mega simple. Jack it up, take the bottom shock bolt out, lower the axles down, put the axle stands on the body so the body stays up and you can drop the axle and you can pull the springs out with the spring compressors. So if you look at the difference, this one's a progressive spring. It's already a bit lower, but basically these top coils will compress and lower the car loads. So Yeah, time to get the other side on. Probably take us another 10 minutes.
Yeah, I don't even think it takes 10 minutes.
Yeah.
But we've not put the new wheels on yet because we're going to see what it looks
I
like.
want to test it, I want to lower it and then remeasure it.
Yeah.
Just to see how much we've dropped just by replacing these. So let's get this side on. Right guys, that's this side done. I've also took the drums off, checked the brakes, put the drums back on, checked the wheel bearings for play, and I've done it all in the time Charlie's took to make a cup of coffee.
It doesn't take me ages to make coffee, by the way. Dad was just fast.
It's so much better in here.
Easy, loads of
See, just being able to roll the jack about on a smooth floor, put the axle stands on a level surface, not have to mess about with a sloped driveway. It's so good, so much warmer.
Yeah.
No wind noise.
Dead quiet, yeah. Except these non-LED lights, but they'll get swapped out soon.
Yeah. So much better already. So far, I'm loving it. So let's have a coffee. We'll lower this MIcra down and remeasure the back end and see how much lower it is. Right, dropped it down on the steel wheels just to take a quick measurement. And it looks like we've lost about 2 3/4 centimetres at the moment, but I've literally just dropped it off the jack. It's going to take a wee bit of time to settle and bed in a bit, so I'm expecting it to come down about 3.5 centimetres like I said on the box, but so far it looks mega. But what I'm going to do now is take off these manky steel wheels and show you the brand new wheels that I've done a 14-hour round trip to pick up. Right guys, off with the manky steel wheels. Wait till you see these. They're not brand new, they're new to us. They're period correct for the car, and we gave them a full refurb as well, just so that they suited the car down to a T. So here we go. TSW Alpines, resprayed in the same white that we done the MIcra in, with Yokohama A539 tyres, and these were an absolute bargain. Let's see how these look on the car. These look so much better. Obviously the suspension will settle down a little bit more. I've literally just let it off the jack. But compared to the front, what a difference. It's so cool, it's amazing, what a transformation. Once we get the rest of the car cleaned, and it's the same white.
They do look awesome. I can't wait to get it outside so we can actually
get a proper look at it.
I wanted to wait on wait for ages.
Front, rear's much better. It's going to look awesome.
It is, yeah.
Right, come on, let's crack on and get the front done. Right guys, we got super lucky. I've said right guys again. I'm going to have to put that in a t-shirt.
You say that every time you started to talk.
Yeah. So we got super lucky with this. Obviously, this is the original one, and this is the new one with the lowering spring on it. It was already pre-built up, already fitted to a k11, and the guy gave me them super cheap in a package deal with the wheels, so it means we can just pop this one off, pop this one straight on, and it'll be good to go. So nice, quick and easy changeover. And surprisingly enough, the 20-year-old Japanese car, all the bolts are coming off. Actually, it's 23 years old come March, and all the bolts are coming off.
Easy. We've had more struggle trying to take them off of like 6-year-old Clios and stuff.
The Suzuki Ignis broke every single bolt just about. And the old Japanese car, they're all coming off, no problem. So let's throw this one on, get the wheels on the front and see what it looks like.
before we give you the final reveal, we've got one more job to do. So when we were actually painting the car, Dad forgot to mask up and we got a load of red overspray on this door. So we had to flatten it back and polish it back up. But when Dad was doing that, for the machine polisher, he actually hit the door handle and bent it out and broke it. So we've got this new one, we've already painted it when we painted the wheels, and it's ready to just get thrown on.
Aye, so Charlie's right. I was machine polishing it and I just got a wee bit carried away because we were in a hurry. I caught the handle, ripped my polishing sponge and broke the handle, so I had to get a new one. Luckily, found a brand spanking new one for, I think it was £8.90 or something on eBay, so it was cheap enough. I wasn't too worried, but it means I've got an extra job of taking this door panel off, and I've never done a MIcra door panel, so hopefully it comes off alright.
There's no way that's been factory.
No, this has all been off before.
It looks terrible.
Yeah, somebody's obviously had... What is this, man? It's like old window putty that they that they used to put on your garden shed. Oh, it's horrible. It's obviously had an issue with a door lock or something before.
Oh, it's all sticky.
Yep. But easy enough to change. Just got 2 screws in there. And then there's a wee cable.
You can get that because it's
a wee
spider
rod
webs.
going on to it. There's what?
Spider webs. So
Oh, you don't like spiders, do
you
you?
can get that.
I'll get that. But we should have got some new speakers and done a speaker upgrade while we were here. Get a try, Charlie. Working alright?
Yeah, it feels
Feel
alright.
alright?
Feels better than the other side.
Excellent. You should always do that. Before you put the whole door panel back together, always test your locks first, because there's nothing worse than putting it all back together and then realising a rod's not in place right or something's not connected properly, and then you end up having to take it all back off.
Is that spare bits?
No. These go on here. I never have spare bits. Right guys, that's your new door handle on. It looks much better. I don't feel like I'm going to break it every time I touch it now. So that pretty much wraps up the jobs we've got to do today. So let's go and show you what the car looks like now. Right, we're just about to go and film some clips on the MIcra. Got it all nice and clean now. But I just want to take a minute out of this video just to say thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you very much to all the patrons who have made this happen. If you want to join the Patreon, there's a link in the description. You'll unlock behind the scenes content. If you don't, no pressure at all. You can help the channel by just hitting the subscribe button, making sure your notification bell's on and hitting it a thumbs up, because that boosts the algorithm. It'll get us more views, we'll get more subscribers. I really want to get to 10,000 subscribers before the summer, so if you could hit that subscribe button, that would be awesome. Now, let's go and have a look at this MIcra.
Auto. Don't act funny, you need my money. Don't come back, don't keep that dummy. What you got, don't need that honey. Keep that dummy, keep that dummy. Don't act funny, you need my money. Don't come back, don't keep that dummy. What you got, don't need that honey. Keep that dummy, keep that dummy. Iced tea chillin', sit back and recline. Keep bad vibes on your side of the line. Don't call my phone, yeah, I'm doing fine. Look at the time, run with the lime. What you got? I don't need, I don't want it. What I got? You know me, I'm a flaunted. Who you got? Ain't no me, they don't got it. La 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 la, la la la. Don't act funny, you need my money. Don't come back, don't keep that dummy. What you got, don't need that honey. Keep that dummy, keep that dummy. Don't act funny, you need my money. Don't come back, don't keep that dummy. What you got, don't need that honey. Keep that dummy. Keep
What's the retail on one of those?
More than you can afford, pal.
Attitude is stinking, yeah, you might need detergent. I'ma have to break it to you, baby, you ain't perfect.
Right guys, the little MIcra is looking amazing now. So much better than when it had the steel wheels. It's obviously got better stands because the wheels are wider, the offset's better, it's got the 35mm lowering springs on it, it still drives okay as well, because we've not went mad and slammed it completely. It's still got this sort of standard feel. You can obviously feel it's a wee bit stiffer, a wee bit more responsive on the steering and stuff, but it's not uncomfortable. You could still drive this every day. And it's just brought out the race car look on it. I think the white wheels were the perfect colour to paint them. So happy with how it's came out. Looks great. What a difference from where this little £100 BCA MIcra started to what it is now. It just draws attention everywhere it goes. So yeah, I'm not sure what's going to happen next on this. We need to get on with some of our other projects. So we've obviously got the S5 to continue with, we've got the MX5 to turbo and respray, we've obviously got the cars that we're going to be flipping as well, and we need to get as much work done as possible to pay for this unit. So thanks again for watching. You guys can help with that by hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you like and follow, make sure you share it with your friends. I really want to get to 10,000 subscribers before the summer. You guys could help out with that and it would be huge. So thanks again for watching. Join us next time. See you later.
Auto. Don't act funny, you need my money.